I'm meteorologist Miss Katie Whittaker with your official Red Hook High School and Mid-Hudson Valley region forecast for the week of October 26, 2020. I'm reporting from outside of Red Hook High School at our very own weather station. The weather station this morning was reporting temperatures in the mid-40s, and with the high humidity and the drizzle, it feels like mid-40s. It's pretty gross out today. You'll see we picked up just under 0.2 of an inch of rain over the last week. We're in the waxing gibbous phase. Waxing gibbous, wax on, wane off. So we are going towards the full moon phase. Expect a full moon for your Halloween. That will make things extra spooktacular. And we are also going towards short hours daylight that will continue until December 21st. Now let's take a look at the weather map because that's going to explain what's going on today. The reason for the cloud cover and the drizzle was this very stubborn cold front that's hanging off the east coast now. You'll see behind it this very complicated system hanging over the southern portion of the United States. I think that system will start to work its way up over the next few days. We'll have some pockets of clear time in the meantime, but I think it could bring some substantial rainfall later in the week. And if you see the dark blue down by Texas, that means snow is likely. Orange means ice is likely, so it could be a real mess down there. I think as it moves across the southern states, it will warm up and you'll see it turn to mostly green, meaning rain. And then as it scoots up the eastern seaboard, I think the backside of it towards higher elevations like the Catskills in New York State, we could see it mixing in with a little bit of snow, but nothing that would stick at this point. But we're trending towards those cooler temperatures as we go through your fall. And let's remember, next week starts November, so it's not all that uncommon to see snow in the forecast. Let's get to the shout out of the week. This week, my weather shout out goes to my friend Steve Bayless in Columbus, Ohio. Steve, I think the best day for you this week will be Wednesday. Partly sunny skies, high near 60. Tuesday looks like it won't be a washout, but could have some showers around. And I think you'll also be seeing some effects of that storm system for your Thursday and Friday before it clears out for the weekend. Let's bring it to the Hudson Valley and see what's going on here. So for your Tuesday, with that front hanging off the coastline, I think we could see more clouds than sun. And I think we could also see a passing shower or two. Depending on how much sun we get, shooting for the mid-50s for the high. Could be a little warmer or a little cooler depending on the cloud cover. Same deal for Wednesday. I think it'll be a little more cloudy to start. Could see some clearing in the afternoon, which would lead to a little bit warmer temperatures. So I'm shooting for a high of 57 at this point. But hopefully we'll get a little more sunshine in the afternoon. Maybe we'll bump up towards 60. For your Thursday, look for increasing clouds with developing rain in the afternoon, highs in the low 50s, and check it out for the end of the week. It looks like rain will taper off, could be breezy at times. Highs in the mid-40s. Going into your Saturday, sunny skies, but look at that low temperature. The lows could be in the upper 20s to low 30s. A big change from what we saw almost summer-like temperatures at the end of last week to almost winter-like temperatures at the end of this week. Now, it's very important for me to point out that we are changing the clocks this weekend, so before you go to bed on Saturday night, make sure you fall back, set those clocks back 1 hour. So that means, hey, you gain an extra hour of sleep. I think we'll all need it as it starts to get darker earlier, heading towards the winter time. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Weather with Whittaker. Now back to RHBC.